Hey everyone, this is Saima and here's a preview for the Red Plum October 28, 2014. Buy two, get one free of equal or less value dial for men or tone bar soaps. Save $1 off any two dial deep cleansing hand soaps, 8-ounce size or larger, dial foaming hand soap, dial liquid hand soap refills, dial or tone bar soaps 3 bar pack or large. I guess there's some deal going on this week at Rite Aid on dials. I'll try to look into it. Save $2 off any two Rite Guard Clinical Clear Total Defense 5 or Rite Guard Extreme Anti-Perspirant or deodorant. Save $2 off any two Dry Idea Anti-Perspirant or deodorants. $1 off some Purina cat food, I think. I don't have pets and I really don't know any of these stuffs. And some more coupons from Purina for pets. $1.50 off one Purina. Again, another coupon for the pets. $1 off, $2 off. These are some coupons you might be interested in. $1 off one Sundown Naturals vitamin or supplements. $2 off any Sundown Naturals gummy product. This week actually the Sundown multivitamins are $4.99 and I am planning to buy some of these, and I have 32 of these booklets that I have collected today and I'm really happy about it. $1 off one Rimmel London lip product, $1 off one Rimmel London face lip or nail product, $1 off one Markel, I'm not sure, sorry, any one bath towel, 6 roll or larger, or 2 count small stretch napkins. Lots of Nivea coupons. $3 off any 2 lip products. $1.50 off hand or body lotion from Eucerin. $2 off Aquaphor skincare, lip care or baby care product. Yeah. $2 off any one Nivea or Nivea men body lotion. $3 off any 2 Nivea or Nivea men body wash, shower gel or lathering body scrub. $2 off one face care product or 2 shave gel or foam. It's only for Nivea men. And some Target coupons. I don't go to Rite Aid. I'm sorry, I don't go to Target. I just go to Rite Aid because there are 2 Rite Aids, 3 actually, Rite Aid near my house. $3 off any one Preference Mousse Absolute hair color from L'Oreal. $3 off any 2 advanced hair shampoo, conditioner, treatment or advanced hairstyle products. $1 off any L'Oreal Paris eye product. $1 off any one L'Oreal Paris eyeshadow or liner. $1 off any 11-ounce standard size Elnett hairspray from L'Oreal. $1 off any one silk half gallon. Save $1 on any 3 Kellogg cereals. Save 75 cents on any 1 box of Super Pretzel soft pretzels. Save 75 cents on any 1 box of Super pretzel dots. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.